going on, guys? Just thought I'd give another stropping video and how it adds. Now, I've used this all today. This is 154 cm. I'm not sure about the angle. This is factory, but it's still cutting paper, but it's a lot rougher than it was. See how it's not super smooth? So let me get my strop. This is my Sydney Co. I think this is cow leather, and I've got 0.5 micron. So what I do is, if you don't know the angle, just lay it down and raise it until it catches. You don't want to dig too much and cut your leather. So it's about right there. You want to hold that angle. Do the same thing for this side. That's 2 passes per side so far. Three. Four. Five. I'll do one more. Now let's see how it is.